how are you? I am back again, and today we are going to unbox my dream pre-loved Coach bag. Also, can I just say, where has this weather come from? It's so beautiful and sunny today, and I've possibly picked the worst day to do a video, but I can't wait. I just need to unbox the bag and show it to you because it's so good. I wanted this bag, I needed this bag, and it took forever to come, and I was genuinely worried that it was lost in the post. And then when it arrived, I could have cried happy tears. So anyway, here is the bag. It's in all the best packaging, as we would always expect from a pre-loved bag. I swear to God, they always come just like packaged like you're buying an old pair of jeans. Anyway, let me show it to you because it's so good. As you know, I love Coach bags. They are so beautifully made. They are such good quality. They last for years, and I swear to God, they get better with age as well. And they are just such a good investment. I have been saying this for years, but Coach charge like half of what another brand would charge for the same quality handbag, which is why I'm such a huge fan, and I probably have like 50 of their bags in my collection at this point. Anyway, let me show you my latest bag, and I think the best Coach bag I've ever bought. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. It is the Coach monogram in like a gorgeous rainbow color with brown leather trim, short strap, big buckle. It is so beautiful. It is, of course, pre-loved, and it dates back to 2009 or 29? 2009? What do we call that? Like 09. It's basically about 15 years old. And I do think this silhouette is so on trend right now. And like literally, Coach bags, they just seem to like never go out of style. Anyway, let me show you the bag. So here is the strap. It's in really good condition. I love this big buckle. I love the stitching, which is slightly contrasted. It's got less of a kind of patent finish on the back, more of a patent finish on the front. It's got the big hardware. It's got a silver zip here. And then it's got this amazing colored monogram. There is a few marks on it, but to be honest, I think like from a distance, you literally don't see it. It's only when you get up close. And to be fair, for a bag this old, it's in pretty good condition. I would say the worst mark is this one here. I might see if I can treat it, but I would be worried about damaging it, so I might not. I think sometimes we just have to like live in harmony with like the old stain or mark on our handbags, especially when they're like this old. Anyway, this is the bag. Let's have a look at the inside. It's in really nice, good, clean condition. It's got the creed here, so you can see like basically D is where the month I think it was made. I don't know what that would be, maybe April. And then 09 means it was made in 2009. I don't even know how we're saying that, but it's in really nice, clean condition on the inside. Yeah, it's just so good. Anyway, let's turn it around and put it on. Oh, and I should probably tell you how much I paid for this bag, but I might do that in a minute. Let's try it on first. So this is what I'm wearing today. This bright red Joni dress. I love the rick-rack detailing. It's here, it's around the neck. I love the big sleeves. It's super fun. Yeah, it's so fun. It's made of cotton, perfect for the summer. And I wish I could give you the link, but Joni have since close their doors, so I need to really treasure my Joni dresses because I won't be able to buy any more, and I'm so sad about it. Anyway, I have paired this dress with my new bag. I have to say, like, the dress is red and there is pink in the bag, but I kind of like the fact that it doesn't quite match, but it does kind of match. I don't know, is that just me? Anyway, it's such a cute little bag. It's like a proper hobo under the arm style. This bag really reminds me of like the Coachtopia bags that they're doing at the moment, but I don't know, I think it's kind of more fun. And I love the fact that with pre-loved you get such a rarity element to it. Yeah, it's so good. Like, how good is this for summer? How good is this for a festival? How easy, casual, laid back? I just think it's great. Like, it really like is such a cool, fun statement bag, but at the same time, it just blends well with the dress. Also, I've only just noticed this, but there's a little Coach logo embossed into the leather here. I've only just noticed that. Cute. Anyway, here is the bag held like this. You could definitely wear it as a top handle bag, but you can also wear it under the arm like this, which I think, to be honest, I do prefer. I love, love, love the colours. I just think it's so fun. It's giving vintage vibes, but it also feels really like contemporary as well. It does really remind me of some of the Coachtopia bags, but yeah, mine's vintage and nobody else can have mine. As for the price, I should probably tell you how much I paid. So I bought this on Tilt, which is like one of my go-to places for shopping designer and vintage at the moment. And I paid £38 for this, which I think is amazing, because when I looked this up online, other people were selling it closer to 100, some people for more, some people for less. But yeah, definitely my price was incredible. It is so clearly authentic that I do not even need to consider getting it authenticated, and basically I trust the seller that I bought it from. But yeah, I think it's absolutely incredible. I'm super thrilled with it. The price was amazing, and yeah, it's just so cool. I cannot wait to wear it this summer. Yeah, I think it's fantastic. Like, I'm ready to receive compliments on this bag. Also, I know I keep telling you this, but if you have not shopped on Tilt yet, highly recommend it. Think it's absolutely incredible. And you can get £10 free shopping credit when you sign up using my code, which I'll put here. You literally need to spend £10 to get £10 off. So like, if you had found this bag or another bag for like £11, it would cost you £1 plus buyer's premium, which is like 50p, and plus shipping. But yeah, it just makes basically everything mega cheap. And yeah, the prices on Tilt are already really good. So yeah, that is my new bag. I love it. I'm so happy with it. Yeah, what do you think? Like, would you have bought this bag? Is it your dream Coach bag, or is it just me? And yeah, what would you do with the little mark? It's quite subtle, but would you try and treat it, or would you just like live with it? I feel like I'm just gonna live with it. Anyway, let me know what you think of my bag, because I absolutely love it. And I'm so happy we got to share the unboxing together. Anyway, don't forget to use my Tilt discount code, and let me know if you've got any questions. And if you love Coach as much as I do, then I'm so happy. Welcome to the party. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.